Today, I'm going to be showing you how to accomplish the R2-D2 type sounds using this. It's got the virtualizer, Behringer effects processing unit. Alright, first let me turn it on. I already have it connected to this thing, Spark Mini. So first you have to go to the effects and go all the way to ring modulation. Like this, and then you have to press this button to go to the second menu and turn it all the way to sine wave, and there you go. But that's not it. So now you can control the speed, and just you have to do it random. You can do it as slow as you want, or as fast as you want, to make it sound super crazy. And so basically, that's all you have to do. So anyways, that's the end. So thanks for watching, and I hope this helps any of you guys with this. If you ever have this thing, you should go ahead and try it. I just got mine off of Amazon. So make sure to like and subscribe for more good content by me, Pearson the Fearless, on YouTube. And comment down below how you think it worked if you have one of these. Okay, goodbye everybody.